speed. 1779. So program, work number, 79. Input. Is that what I was running? Toolpath, part shape. That was a machine at an angle on it. Check continue. That's the graphics. I was taking a real light cut because I only had a hold of it by a screw on the middle one, so I was taking a very small depth of cut.
Okay.
Which to make it, that's an 11-minute program. What we can do is go to the program itself. Rough depth of cut, 50. Program. Tool path. Part shape. Path continue. That makes it a 2.5-minute program.
Okay.
But it's only a one tool, so let's change our tool as well so we can use two different tools, so it'll change. You don't want it to run into the choke, so
No.
turn the coolant off. We can go work light, barrier cancel. It doesn't hit anything. It's out pretty far.
So what is this, just doing a drilling operation or?
No, it's a turning operation.
Oh, it's a turning operation, okay.
That's turning over the outside.
Okay.
It's not, it's taking a very, very light cut. I put up the feed rate to make it go
No,
faster
that's all right.
for your video if you'd like.
No, that's fine. Was this a programmable tail sock or manual?
Manual. But it is a hydraulic. If you want to see it work, I will.
No, that's fine.
You just have to, you have to send it home first to bring it out.
Yeah,
It's right
no,
there.
that's fine. We see the spindle speeds kicked up a little.
It's a manual increase.
Okay.
As it gets closer to the center, it automatically gets faster.
Sure.